Welcome to Forex Rebels. Today we'll be analyzing XAU USD and Euro USD. So before you get into the video, hit the sub button below so you don't miss any of our videos. As you can see, we are on the daily time frame on XAU USD, and this is what we have. So as you can see, I've already analyzed a little bit. This was my support level, mid-range resistance level. But as you can see that our resistance level just turned into a support level as the market did break out of this level over here. So yeah, if you want to know how to analyze or to draw support and resistance, the link is in the description below for the video. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move to the 4-hour time frame. The reason why I created a video for that is that so I can just keep the part of me analyzing the levels, because it takes time, and I'm trying by all means to keep this video as short as possible. So from here we can see that we're going to push into the upper side. We had first, second, third touch. We have the beautiful touch here, second touch here, and now we have the third touch here. So but also we can see if we are moving from this point here, we can see this level here has been respected as well. Just gonna put a line there. Okay, so you can see that this level has been respected as well. And bear in mind that we have to cater for the upper side as well. So starting from here, our top, our highest high, and this is what we have. So currently we had a third touch here, and we were going for the sellers. You can see that we hit this area here. So there are two possibilities: either market will push to the upper side, or it will continue going down. But we don't really know that. In order to confirm that, if we either going to the upper side or to the lower side, we are going to focus on this level at hand. We can see this level here has been respected here, here. So most likely we see the market failing to break this level right over here as it closed above the level. So this could tell us this is going to respect the trend line, or this could just be a false signal. So we are going to wait a little bit to see if there's any movement, because there's a possibility that the market could just try to trick us and hit this area here and come back to the upper side. So we have to be quite alert with that. So all we have to do now is wait. If we're going to enter this, the most good approach would be like this. If we see a retest first on the trend line and on the area here, then we could simply say we are selling. But as we know how triangles work, if we were to measure this, let me start from here. Let me just put it here. I just want it to be a straight line. So like starting from here, so we're anticipating a push maybe up until here. So on the sellers, this is what we are anticipating. So on this area here, we are going to sell only if we retest here. But if not, we're gonna wait a little bit to see what's really going on, because I don't want you guys to get trapped, because these days, oh my guys, what it does, it just traps you and hit your stop loss. So that'll be all for XAU USD. Let us move to Euro USD. Okay, now we are on Euro USD. Like I've said, all the videos I'm gonna start with the levels laid out. So you're on the 4-hour time frame. I'm trying to save time. So these are the levels that we are seeing. So you can see, guys, if I zoom out a bit, you can see this level has been respected. So we are going to focus around the area at hand on Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. So let me just show you the daily time frame as quickly as possible, so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what we are seeing on the daily time frame. This is what we have. This is the highest high, and the first time we hit this area here, it went down. So there's a possibility that we could hit to the lower side. And as you can see, I don't know if the markets are closed, but this candle is engulfing the other candle, so we could anticipate a big so movement starting from here up until maybe here or here, but mostly probably here, but we'll see what's going on. Let us move back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, sorry, yep, so this is what we have. And if we were to analyze, I'm gonna say starting from here. So as you can see here on the analysis, it's different now because I'm using the lines, not the zones. So bear in mind. So let's cater for the upper side. If we're to cater for the upper side, we're going to have like 2 touches here. But let me use the line chart to show you something. If you were to use the line chart, what's gonna be like this from this point here, highest high here, right here. Let me just shade it with some dash line. So this is just an example. Sorry, okay. I don't know about the lower side. The lower side is quite good, so it's okay. So if we were to use the line chart, so this will be what we have. So we can see that we are respecting this area here, and your inside is, so you're gonna push the lower side up until maybe here. So this is what it means. So let me just remove the dash lines now. Okay, so this is what we have. I'll probably put it like this. Nah, it's good like this actually. So, and some can say you can use this one like this. This one is not more accurate. This one is way too off. So, okay, this is what we have. And if we were to try to use this one here, starting from this point over here, it would be like this. Still kind of like the same thing. So I don't want just to extend it because either way the market is gonna hit this area here. So let me remove the dash lines. Okay. So currently on this one we are selling. So I think we're going to sell up until here. Then keep on selling up until, if you break this level again, you're gonna keep on selling up until here. So this is the setup that I'm seeing on EURUSD, because I don't think we're going to anticipate the first touch here. The trend line is already tired, so there's a possibility that it's going to break only if the market comes with a strong momentum. So the dollar will be way stronger. So yeah, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see what's really going on here. So it seems like the market is forming some energy. So you can see we had an impulse here, and it seems like we are having a correction here, and we're gonna have another impulse. And at the top again, okay, let me remove this first. As I've shown you, we are anticipating the sellers. And if we're to look at here, we had some sort of formation here. These are information. So it did break here. The entry level was here. Then we enter up until here, as is here. So here the first M level, and now we're going to have seems like we are having let me see, it seems like the market, so you can see how the market has been moving. It's the M, so we could anticipate a push like this up until maybe here before we push to this area here. So but in order to be safe, we could just enter below this area here, but bear in mind, make sure the 4-hour candlestick closes below this level to be on the safer side, because if you just rely on the 1-hour candlestick, you're gonna get into trouble. So this is how you should trade it. And here, you're supporting D, so you can see we have been like pushing. Let me use a line. So from here you can see at first touch, second touch, and the third touch couldn't like be validated. So yeah, we'll do this. So now we are still gonna play around this area here, and then enter here, takes our profit somewhere here. So on this one, I'm still looking for sellers. Maybe up until here, and if we close below this level, bear in mind guys, if we close below, okay, and yeah, up until here, then we are looking for the sellers. So yeah, that will be all from us. FX Rebels signing out.